Right, I've got a cam set up at about 45 feet. I'll just show you where it is. It's 42 feet with a rangefinder. Let's see if we can hit it. That were a miss. Miss. I was underneath. Oh, that hit me on hand. Oh. Look at that one. Two more and that's it. Well, I'll tell you what, because I put camera on, right, missed it every single time. I've just done it without camera on, sod's law. As you can see, hit it about 4 times. I'm putting that cam back there, but I do take them home. But while we're here, I just want to show you something. These are brambles. These are brambles that normally have blackberries on, of course. So if I can find a nice little shoot, one about that big. Now if you eat one of these, it tastes like, you know, if you got grated coconut and put it in the oven and sort of baked it for a few minutes. It's unbelievable, just how much it tastes of coconut. So if you ever see any over the next couple of days, but what you don't want this size, that's no good. All you after are these tiny little ones like this, like that and smaller. Like, see these little ones here? These ones have got the most in. Or if you can find one without any leaves on it at all, like this one will be super duper flavoursome. Now you have to chew them for a couple of minutes, get the juices going, and where you go, got some wild strawberries here. You have the little baby ones on. Also got some cleavers here. Great tonic. What you want to do is grab yourself a big handful of this, and I mean 2 great big handfuls, right? Eat it all up. Put it in some, get about 2 big handfuls and put it in for a cup full of water. Put it in your fridge for 4 hours and drink that water. It'll taste like cucumber. And we'll see how we go.